Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to repost someone's status on WhatsApp. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Then I want you to go and click on the updates or the status. Then here I will go to any status. Now you need to know that this is if you want to reshare it, you should have the reshare button, and the status that you want to reshare, it shouldn't be reshared. Okay, so this is an important tip. Now I want to reshare this one right here, Surat al-Anfal. So I'm gonna click on the repost icon on the bottom right side beside the heart icon. Then you can now add a caption, or you can mention someone, you can add a photo and so on. But here in my case, I will simply just type here to loving hearts. Then I'm gonna hit the send, and now I have this status reposted, as you can see. So here I have it, sort and fell. And this is it. This is how we can actually reshare any status on WhatsApp. And I hope this video is useful to you all, guys. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.